and welcome back to our channel. I am Sofia, the daughter of Kirsten Berg, and today I'm going to be doing the Wax and Wash Challenge. This challenge is a fun and easy way to create an artwork by using things that everyone has at their homes. So let's get into the challenge. In this video, what you will need is inks or paints, a paintbrush, a birthday candle, and a way to get some quotes. I'm using the Little Book of Calming Calligraphy. I'm going to pick what quote I'm going to write out. Pick a random one. Perfectly imperfect. Okay, that's a lovely, nice and simple one. Now, let's write that out with my candle. And at the bottom, I'm going to add a little flourish, like it does in the book. Now, I've written out my quote. With the candle, I'm going to choose an ink. And do a wash over the top of the writing. It's a shimmery blue. And dipping my paintbrush in, I'm just going to do a wash straight over. And the wax should act as a barrier and block the ink from going over the top of it. As I forgot to cross the T on perfectly, I'm going to go over it with a copper pen and add a few more little details with that pen, which includes the flourish at the bottom and the flourish on the word perfectly. Here it is. Can't wait to see what you create using a birthday candle. Want to learn all about calligraphy? There's online workshops on www.themoderncalligraphycompany.com.